here at the shop, I got something I gotta show y'all. It's just, y'all gotta look at this. Y'all ain't seen any chickens like that?
I hadn't.
Huh?
Nope.
You done busted out the chickens?
They out for the year now. It's done.
Is this the first day?
No.
No?
First day you got to see these sexy things.
Ooh-wee. You need to put them things in some sun. They need to be baked.
Nah, they burn. We don't like burnt chicken legs.
53 inches.
Okay.
You know what I'm talking about?
53 inches.
Golf club.
Golf club. Okay.
Let's check in on what Rusty's been doing in this Defender closeout panels in the back, covering up the AC units on both sides, and then we're trying to get some golf clubs in the back, which is going to be tight. We got the console in, starting to come together. We're running AC lines through the console. Got the dash in, getting closer and closer on this one. All right, we heading up to NateDogg's place to pick up the Bronco we dropped off about 2 weeks ago. He's finished up with it, so come right along with us, see what NateDogg's doing when we get there. We're pulling into NateDogg's place. Look at that truck over there.
That's nice, man.
That's nice.
What do you got, like 98s on it? Squatted?
Yeah, squatted. What are you putting, turpentine on it?
Yeah.
That
You got a lighter?
Well, you got him in there just running that, so it sounds like y'all doing something here.
We're just gonna shut the doors real quick and act like nobody was home.
Uh-huh. So we got the Bronco. We're picking up the Bronco. Tell them what you did to it, NateDogg.
I did a little bit of that and a little bit of this.
Huh.
Well, I had to match the existing upholstery.
Yeah.
So I made some new side panels and put the speakers in. Made these things to protect the top.
Oh yeah, the side panel. Uh-huh.
In there.
Hey, you like them, don't you?
Pretty cool.
What's that turpentine you got over there? I got some door panels, armrest. Well,
Card!
Thank you.
get that on film to make sure he knows I paid him.
Yeah. Is he good?
Hey, what you doing?
He's trying to hug me. He missed me.
You want to hug Vince?
You want? Come on, just bring it in.
Hold on, let me get it.
Bring it in.
Asheville.
So for all of y'all that want to know what happened to Joe Dirt, this is a very sad moment. NateDogg, tell us what happened to Joe Dirt.
It's under construction.
Look at Joe Dirt. Look at Joe Dirt. I mean, this thing used to spin the tires coming out of our shop, and
Oh, it still does.
now it's just
It won't even make it off.
it's just a storage place.
Yeah, it's under construction.
I mean, come on,
Materials.
NateDogg, that's sad. Won't you let me?
Buy it?
No, let me just. Yeah, I want to buy it.
Okay.
I want to test drive it first. Time to load up that Bronco. NateDogg, can I get your insurance carrier? We gotta file a claim.
For what?
For all this work, all this stuff you did to the car.
Yeah, it's called.
Good look insurance.
You want the number? It's 1-800 hold my nut.
NateDogg, you can't say that on video. God almighty.
Damn, I'm gonna get damn new motor up here. My chickens to work.
He got them chickens out, NateDogg.
See that? And it's gonna be cold today.
NateDogg, I got a proposition for you. What? What's it gonna take for you to close up this sham up here and come back to work for us.
Why? Are things getting bad there?
We need help.
We need help. I can't write prescriptions.
I mean, I got my side done.
I know. I thought I had mine. I think it would have been fine over the brake line. Let's go over here.
There you go.
The problem is the bubble. There.
Good job, NateDogg.
Yeah. You're welcome. No brake lines were harmed in this filming.
Good Lord. That's we could have slid it back, couldn't we?
Yeah, you could have. Nate act like he did wasn't enough room back there.
Thank you.
What?
Well, you don't get to drive real
Golly,
cars.
how many keys do you have
You
on
don't
that
get
thing?
to drive real cars. You've went to the supercar class and stuff, so you just you don't know the struggles.
Let's put a contest out there. Put a
That's just one
comment below.
That's just one.
How
room.
many keys are on there?
And, they
And
win
if
a
you
prize?
guess it right, they get a t-shirt.
Okay,
Well, you need to count them, but
I will.
okay. Just because you got a lot of keys on your chain don't mean you're that important. I mean,
There's not a door I can't open.
yeah, I believe that. I believe
Yeah.
Okay. Well,
Take a peek.
y'all got any parting words to say?
Go ahead,
Hey.
Carter.
Okay.
Yeah.
The works.
You'll say hey.
See you next time.
Wow.
That's it? That's all you got?
Wow.
Okay.
That was kind of.
And oh gosh.
Oh, I know y'all have missed me, and it's been a long road to where I'm at now. Oh, I'd like to just say hey to the fans. You know, I'm still kicking, and I know you've seen some new faces on their videos, and I know it's just not the same. And if you need to reach out, I'm here for you, and I can take comments and help y'all through these moments, you know, especially with these new people that talk on the camera and stuff like that. And I know you just don't like mesh with them. You just don't feel their energy. Then, you know, they don't have the heart. But I'm here for you, and Vince knows how to get in touch with me. So
NateDogg hotline.
just I've not abandoned you. So just remember that.
Hot dog 1-800-10.
NateDogg ain't changed, has he?
No, he ain't changed a bit.
He's just a camera hog. He loves it so much. He's just
You
Here,
can't
you-
give him too much time.
hold that thing.
Oh,
I can't drive and hold it.
Golly. I mean,
So-
if I hold it,
He just
battery's going down.
I know. We're about to close this out anyway. He's just a camera hog. I mean, he misses it. He wants to come back to work with us.
You know
I
he
know. He don't like admitting it.
He's trying to play hard to get.
I asked him, I said, NateDogg, what's it going to take for you to close up this sham and come back to work for us? Okay, we got the Bronco unloaded from Nate's. The sun's out, so let's take a look at it.
Thank you for watching this week's episode of Shop Walk. If you're enjoying these videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and we'll see you next Friday at 7 p.m.